When you take your ball from the return rack, put your palms on the exposed sides and lift up. Any other way, you risk getting your fingers painfully pinched. The first principle of good bowling is a confident, comfortable grip in a well-fitting ball. Most bowlers use the popular three-finger grip, thumb and two middle fingers in the ball, with the other fingers comfortably spread, not bent nor curled under. In a well-fitting ball, the holes permit free and easy thumb and finger movement. With the thumb in its hole, the middle joints of the fingers should be over the inner edges of the finger holes. Let's take the basic four-step approach. Just the footwork. Right-handed bowlers step off with the right foot. Left-handers with the left foot. Right, and slide on the left. Okay, let's take it again. This time at a leisurely, normal walking pace. 1, 2, 3, slide. Don't be afraid to get down close to the floor in that slide. Being comfortable and relaxed are essential to good bowling. The main point is to make the approach with an easy, unhurried, rhythmic walk. Your slide must always end short of the foul line. If you step on the foul line or over it, you're penalized. Check yourself on these points. Body almost erect, leaning a bit forward. Shoulders and hips square with your line of approach. Eyes fixed on your target. Knees bent slightly, with your weight equally distributed on both feet, which are comfortably set no more than a few inches apart. Toes pointing at your target, starting foot slightly behind the other. Hold the ball directly in front of you, anywhere between belt high and shoulder high, at a comfortable distance from your body, with the ball's weight supported mostly by your non-bowling hand. The push-away starts the arm swing. Whatever height you hold the ball, push straight out. Whoop, not like that. Never upward. Push it straight out away from you. Straight out to full arm's length. Let the ball's own weight start it downward and swing it like an easy-going pendulum. There's no need to strong-arm the ball. Its momentum carries it to the top of the backswing. Its weight sends it through the forward swing. You don't have to force the ball nor throw it. After you push away, let your ball do the work. Good bowling does not depend on physical strength. Now let's take a close look at our target. 10 big fat pins just asking for it. The numbers on these pins designate the pin spots. Ordinarily, the spot number does not appear on the pin. For right-handed bowlers, the strike target is the 1-3 pocket. The bowler's primary aim is to fit the ball neatly into the strike pocket. The main idea is to knock down all 10 pins with one roll of your ball. Do that and you've got a strike. When your first roll doesn't get all the pins, you bowl the same ball again to complete your turn. If all pins are down after the second roll, you've scored a spare.